Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN connection, which will help you to secure your connection when you are online. So the app I'm gonna share with you, it's on Google Play Store. So let me take this chance to welcome all of you on this channel. Subscribers and new viewers, you are highly welcomed. So I welcome all of you, and the app we are gonna share with you, it's on Google Play Store. Simply head over to your Google Play Store and search for this app. The app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. And this app, it is known as Handsome Fast Safe VPN. And among the presented, you pick this one, Handsome Fast Safe VPN. This app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. And take note of the app and install it on your device. And after that, open the app immediately. It will take you to the home screen, and you'll be required to do some settings. And as we set up this app will help you to secure your connection. The app will add an extra layer of security when you are online, and this app will enhance on your online activities when you are online. So when you reach in the app interface, you must set it up. And first of all, to set up the app, tap on the two arrowhead icons pointing down like that, and when you tap on it, a list of menu will be presented, and you opt for check updates. So this is done to update the app resources so that it can work as it secures your connection. So make sure to update the app to the latest version to experience its services with ease. And after doing that, you are required to pick a server, and for today's video we are gonna pick a server, the auto select server. But in case you prefer another server, you can simply pick among the presented. So just for today's guide, we are gonna pick the auto server. This is because auto server will help you to pick the best performing server in your location. And after that, you are required to pick a network. Where you see All Country Hysteria, you are required to pick a network of your choice. But for today's guide, we are gonna use the All Country UDP Hysteria. This option is working for all countries which support UDP. If your country supports UDP, the option of All Country UDP Hysteria, it will perform well. And in case your country does not support UDP, tap here, pick your country name, and your connection will be secured. And for today's video, please you select UDP. This is because UDP is fast and it is secure. So to insert a secure connection and add extra layer of security, you are required to tap on this start button. And when you tap on the start button, you give this app a few seconds for it to connect, and within a second the app will be connected. As you can see right here, the app, it is connected. And that's how we set up Handsome Fast Safe VPN with All Country UDP Hysteria settings. And let's meet in the next video. Please enjoy the secure and enhanced connection via Handsome Fast VPN. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.